Dahil po sa biyaya ng Panginoon, tayo ay magsisipagtapos. And we are about to start a new journey. Our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal once said, ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa ALS dahil ito ay nagsilbing tulay para unti-unti kong maabot ang mga pangarap ko. In ALS, they equip us with adequate knowledge and skills in preparation for important roles we have to play in society someday. Now I could simply say that we are empowered and productive students that could face new challenges. My dear co-graduates and completers, the first step has been successful. As is said, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit it bears is very sweet. The journey is long laden with thorns, but our accomplishments in this school are very rewarding. The patience and dedication we had shown throughout our journey is the first of the series of accomplishments that we should achieve with guidance of our parents and people around us. We owe a lot of gratitude. No amount of words can fully express how much we appreciate what they have done for us. We hope that we will be able to compensate for all their sacrifices. Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa Diyos sa lahat ng blessings at walang sawang pagbibigay ng lakas para harapin lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa pamilya ko na walang sawang nagbigay ng inspirasyon at suporta para pagtibayin ang aking loob na kaya kong abutin ng mga pangarap ko. Ipinamulat niyo sa amin na kahit na sobrang hirap ay hindi niyo kami sinukuan, bagkus sinikayat niyo kami para magpatuloy. You support us both physically and emotionally to be God-fearing and to become better person. We cannot give you financial or material things at this point, but we can give you love, happiness, and respect that you deserve. Thank you very much, and I love you so much. To our dear teachers, who taught us not only lessons in the book, but also taught us lessons in real life. Hindi po lingid sa ating kaalaman, ang pag-aaral ay mahirap. Ngunit ano ang hirap ng estudyante upang mag-aral, ay siya ring hirap ng maguro sa pagtuturo. Lalo na po sa mga estudyante hindi sumusunod, laging late at absent. Madalas po sa ating mga estudyante ay kinaiinisan natin ang mga gurong laging pumupuna sa atin. Ngunit ay ginanlamang ito sa patotoo na ang ating mga guro ay hindi lamang guro sa profesyon, kundi guro rin sa kanilang mga puso, na nagmamahal sa kanyang mga estudyante. Kaya sa aming mga guro, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang paggabay sa amin sa tamang daan. Thank you, teachers, for all the extra effort you make to help us grow, to encourage us to face our fears and challenges, and told us that it will help us to become who we are. You are not only a teacher, you are our friend, our motivator, our compass. We will always be grateful for your support and kindness, teachers. Teachers, we salute you and thank you very much. Naway pagtubayan at pagpalain ko kayo lagi ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Thank you po.
Again,